Let's get some information of the 3D model or the database. If you want to know or find out some properties you need of the element, just select, for example, this equipment and right-click Attributes, and this window will appear. Okay, so here you have listed all the available attributes in PDMS. Okay, so the most important attribute will be the type of the element. In this case we have an equipment, and it is directly linked to the icon you see here. If we change to a pipe, the type now is pipe and the icon is kind of tube. Okay, so each type of element has specific attributes, but there are also common attributes like the name or lock, owner, and so on. So let's go back to the equipment. We can change the name. Okay, in PDMS you cannot create two equal names. Okay, it makes distinction between capital letters and not capital letters. For example, we can just type another name. Okay, this ref number is an internal reference for PDMS to correctly range all the elements on the database. What more? We can give us a description in boiler of the kind, and okay, so this kind of attributes here on the top part of the window are let's say information attributes, but there are also another functional attributes like the position, for example, or the orientation. Here the position of this element is with respect to the owner. The owner is the equipment zone, so the position of the zone is with respect to the site, and the site with respect to the world, and the world has no position, so the world is the typical 0, 0, 0 coordinates. Okay, this concept is important. So let's change the position. If we type, for example, 3000, the equipment goes up. Okay, so what is the origin of the equipment? If you click here, display axis on the CE, you will get this window, and here is the origin. You can resize the position, sorry, the axis, put a label, and now yeah, it would be worth to show the world axis by this icon. Okay, so now we can find out the position and the orientation of the element. We can deduce, so the Y is aligned to the north and the Z is aligned to the up. Okay, so we can change, for example, to down. It's quite simple. Okay, so close, remove axis. Then this bold letter means that the element has been modified recently. Okay, if you don't want to allow users to modify the equipment, you can click lock. Okay, then you cannot modify the attributes, and then unlock. Okay, it is for safety reasons. So if you want to do otherwise, we can obtain or find out attributes from the command window. There are some abbreviations of the attributes here. We can type Q of query, pos, Q position, or query name to get the name of the equipment.